Hi there, Stan, the Annuity Man, America's annuity agent, licensed in all 50 states, founder of CGO, Contractual Guarantees. Only you own an annuity for what it will do, not what it might do. Today's question, a weird one, my consultants put in front of me. They don't know the business. They don't know how to spell annuity. They spell it with one N. They're not that smart. But that's okay. I retain them because I like them. But they put this question in front of me. What is a life insurance annuity? I mean, top agent in the country, written 7 books on annuities, done multiple thousands of videos, licensed in all 50 states. And this question right here, I'm like, what? What are you talking about, son? You know what I'm going to do, though? I'm going to translate it into my brain and then spit out the facts like I always do. And I think it'll all work itself out after this. So let's talk about life insurance annuity. I'm trying to get to the genesis, biblical phrase, genesis beginning of the question. Life insurance companies issue annuities. So what is a life insurance annuity? It's an annuity issued by a life insurance company. Now, also that could be someone asking, hey Stan, a death benefit on life insurance is tax-free, lump sum, probate-free. I always say, you know, life insurance is the best return on investment you'll never ever get to see or enjoy because you're dead. So life insurance company death benefits are tax-free. And life insurance companies issue annuities, but those death benefits are not tax-free. That might be it. What is a life insurance annuity? I really believe that it could be, annuities primarily solve for 4 things: principal protection, income for life, legacy, and long-term care. That acronym is PIL. And the life insurance company issuing the annuity, you're transferring the risk to the life insurance company issuing that annuity to solve contractually for it. Maybe that's what you're talking about. Hey Stan, what's a life insurance annuity? Well, I'll tell you what it's not. If you buy life insurance and some jackwagon says, well, this life insurance right here, this index universal life insurance right here, you can get tax-free income. No. I don't know what accent that was. That was like a foghorn leghorn thrown in with the James Carville. You know what I'm saying? Maybe that's what you're thinking. What's a life insurance annuity? It's a life insurance policy that has lifetime income inside of the life insurance policy that's tax-free because the boy down the road told me so. No, that's wrong. He's a jackwagon, idiot, sociopath. That's a loan, okay? What is a life insurance annuity, Stan? Well, it could be for principal protection. You might say, you know what? I just want to protect the principal, Stan, the Annuity Man, America's annuity agent, with those funky shirts you wear all the time. Think that's cool. You should see my underwear. No, I'm kidding. I haven't gone that far yet. If I do, just yank me. It's over. But you want principal protection. That's a MIGA, multi-year guarantee annuity, the annuity industry version of a CD. Principal protection, peel off the interest if you want to. Otherwise, in a checking account type money, it grows and compounds tax deferred. If you said, Stan, the Annuity Man, hey Stan, Daddy, Annuity Man, what type of annuity do you and the Queen own? Well, that's a MIGA. Why, Stan, why? Why, Stan, why? Why, Stan, why? Why, Stan? Because we don't want to pay taxes. Hello. We want it to be contractually guaranteed. Hello. We want it to grow and compound tax deferred. Hello. And we're not trying to hit home runs, but just bunt singles. I live by Warren Buffett's rule. What's that, Sam? Rule number 1, don't lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. The best growth stock on the planet is not NVIDIA. It's not SpaceX. It's not Tesla or whatever. It's the Annuity Man, which is a privately held company by me. Hockey stick growth. I don't need growth. I am growth. We're the biggest company on the planet direct to consumer, period. And we're getting bigger by the day. Why? Because people are looking for contractual guarantees. They're looking for, I guess, a life insurance annuity. I blame the industry. I blame the industry for this question because annuities should be easy to understand by the consumer because I make them easy to understand. Somehow we're about growth, 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 RILAs, variables, index. Give me a break. Never buy an annuity for growth. Never buy an annuity for a stock market replacement. I don't give a crap what your agent says or your advisor says. I am the agent. I'm America's annuity agent. You own an annuity for what it will do, not what it might do. Period. So Stan, have you really answered what a life insurance annuity is? I think so. I think so. And I think about sooner than later, 2 to 3 years from now, after I get done demolishing everyone in the space by just selling contractual guarantees, I'm the only one doing it. People can't help themselves. They have to sell the potential, the hypothetical. Because if you sell enough of that, you go on the trip. You go on the trip if you sell that, if you sell the hopes and dreams and the bonuses. Life insurance companies issue annuities. There's 8 to 10 types, however you want to split it. They offer 4 things: principal protection, income for life, legacy, and long-term care. Yes, 2 questions. What do you want the money to contractually do? When you want those contractual guarantees to start? What I hope is you engage with us. Email me, stan@theannuityman.com. That's easy. Schedule a call if you want to speak with me. You can do that. If you don't want to do either one of those, go to my site, Run Quotes, 24/7, 365. Download the books. Get educated. One last thing, talking about education. I just did a video on inflation and how annuities factually and contractually and pragmatically and honestly and truthfully solve for inflation. Not some Johnny Appleseed pie-in-the-sky piece of crap. How you do it. Been doing it for 3 decades. This is how you do it. Period. My name is Stan, the Annuity Man. See you next time.